Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Bob, CEO and founder of Cryptoikonmedia, and you are watching Crypto Icon, a show where I talk about everything around crypto, Web3, and blockchain technology. So, today we will take a look at some of major crypto news and some hot updates. But please note that I'm not a financial advisor, it is just for information and entertainment purpose. So, let's go for it. But before that, I'm just going to talk about current market price. So today's cryptocurrency price by market cap, the global crypto market cap is 822.04 billion dollar, which is around 1.27% decrease over the last day. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is 42.70 billion dollar, which makes a 23.72% increase. The total volume in DeFi is currently $3.67 billion, which is around 8.59% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all the stable coin is now $38.95 billion, which is around 91.23% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 38.71%, an increase of its 0.28% over the day. And today's Bitcoin price is $16,548, and Ethereum price is $1,173, and the BNB price is $268. And let's go for the today's story. This story is coming from Cointelegraph. So I just want to give this credit to cointelegraph.com. And the story says decentralization index from Cardano builder U of Edinburgh will help users understand assets. In an industry first input output global, and the Scottish University will provide continuous tracking of digital assets by a methodology that has yet to be determined. The University of Edinburgh and Input Output Global, the builder of the Cardano network, have teamed up to create a blockchain decentralization index. IOG announced on its blog. The new service is the first of its kind and will use a research based methodology developed at the university. The Edinburgh Decentralization Index has been in development for several months and was introduced in Edinburgh on November 18th, but it is not yet operational according to IOG. The first step for the tracker is the creation of research a paper detailing decentralization metrics and a considered methodology for compiling them into the index created by researchers and the University of Edinburgh. It will then operate in the same way as other industry indexes. And when launched, the EDI will provide live tracking for assets and by a constantly calculated by reviewed methodology. Blockchain firms fund a university research hub to advance growth, the heading says, and there are currently no standards for the decentralization of digital asset. What we are currently missing in universally accepted industry standard, which define to what extent projects are decentralized. The ADI will allow us to ensure that users have full transparency around what they are participating in. IOG CEO Charles Hawkins said in the blog post. Hawkins was alluding to the fact that users currently have no way to judge to one external digital asset and are decentralized. And Let's go for the second story, and this story is coming from cryptoglobe.com. So I would like to give this credit to cryptoglobe.com, and the heading says Visa CEO good stablecoin regulation is what's necessary to build back confidence. In a recent interview, Alfred F. Kelly Jr., who is chairman and CEO of Visa Incorporation, said that he hopes that the collapse of FTX will lead to good crypto regulation, which is what's necessary to build back confidence for people. According to a report by the Daily Hodl, the outgoing CEO of the world's second largest card payment organization said during an appearance on CNBC's Squawk on the Street. I hope one good thing that comes out of the FTX disaster for their investors and their employees is that we see an acceleration towards regulation and leaning into good stablecoin regulation, because I think that is what's necessary to build back confidence for people, and we'll see over time. We will see over time, and we are setting up from the reality of crypto potentially having a role in payments and money movement. We don't pick winners or losers. We ultimately let the consumer and the experience decide. But we are creating on and off ramps for crypto players, putting Visa cards in wallets, being able to convert the stablecoin to a fiat currency, and being able to use their Visa card to stop anywhere they want to shop. We are even working on being able to settle with a merchant at the end of the day who wants to get settled in a stable coin versus settled in a currency. And let's go for the third story, which is coming from cryptoslate.com. So I would like to give this credit to cryptoslate.com. And the story says BTC difficulty to adjust over weekend as miner capitulate. Difficulty is expected to adjust down as hash rate slow, uh, suggesting a possible top is it. Bitcoin's mining difficulty is expected to adjust Sunday night, Monday morning, November 2021, and currently over 100% of the mined Bitcoin supply is being spent at the fifth most significant rate over, following back to back difficulty negative or natural adjustment. It is possible that Bitcoin hash rate and difficulty may have topped. However, the difficulty is expected to adjust down again over the weekend, and expectation that the hash rate has peaked. The following highlights the percentage of spin uh, Bitcoin from a miner over a 30-day window. The blue section, which has peaked at its highest level since 2021, uh, depict the number of coins sold by miners. The value of Bitcoin sold by miner over the past 30 days is the fifth largest outflow in Bitcoin history. Miners' balance are also trading downward, however, not currently at a worrying velocity. The, the between spend between Bitcoin and miner balance suggests mining companies may be selling newly mined coin to cover costs. And let's go for the last news. And I got this news from dailyhodl.com. So I would like to give this credit to dailyhodl.com. And I think says on-chain metrics suggest crypto is nearing the bottom of the bear market despite recent price goes into the block. Certain on-chain metrics indicate crypto could be nearing the bottom of the bear market according to the analytics firm into the block. Lucas Autumner, head of research at Into the Block, notes in a new analysis that more than half of Bitcoin holders are losing money on their positions, a level not seen since March 2020. In the 2015 bear market, that number peaked at 62%, and in uh, 2018 it hit 55%. Explains Automnoro having the majority of holders of an asset that has 25% since inception could be a sign of bearish momentum getting expressive. In 2015, it took 6 months for the majority of holders to be back into profit compared to 3 months in 2018. Bear cycles appears to be getting shorter and with a smaller share of holders losing over time. This trend also favor the chance uh, chances of a potential bottom being near. Bitcoin is trading at $16,632 at a time of writing. The top ranked crypto asset by market cap is down 1.92% in the past 24 hours. Automnoro also notes that long-term investors have been buying a BTC amid the crypto market price moves. The amount of Bitcoin held by address holding the King crypto for more than 1 year has increased by 2.7 million BTC so far this year. Explains the analyst demand from long-term investors slowly creates a floor for Bitcoin in bear market and the typically begin to sell to new investor shortly after new all-time high. Autumnero also highlights that over $3 billion worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum have left centralized crypto exchange this week. According to the on-chain analyst, digital assets flying for crypto exchanges potentially suggest accumulation or distribute for centralized platform. Guys, this is the end of the stories today, and thank you for watching this video. If you like the content for this video, please give me a thumbs up and press the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so you will receive more content like this every day. And don't forget to check out our official link of major crypto platform in the description of this video. And I would love to hear your feedback and suggestion. So do comment your thoughts below. And please share this video with your friends on social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at bobasheesh and also cryptoikonmedia to learn more about our company. And let me talk about what exactly we do. Cryptoikonmedia is a full service interactive crypto media agency, digital marketing, social media, and branding. And guys, if you want to get 100 USDT, so get world biggest crypto exchange Binance and deposit more than $50 into your Binance account, and we will both get 100 USDT cashback as a voucher. And if you are listening to this content on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or any other podcast platform, so then please do hop on our YouTube channel for the real action. And thank you once again, and you have a